Hi, my name's Julie and welcome to my Jtru channel. Just want to start off by saying thank you to all my new and old subscribers for still being here, watching my content and making lovely comments. I know I haven't been uploading videos for quite some time because a lot of things have happened, but I have started uploading again a few weeks ago, so if you haven't seen those videos yet, go and check them out. And just to show my appreciation, I wanted to do a giveaway and give this beautiful snow globe to one lucky winner. It's handmade by myself and it's super cute. Can be customized with an initial. And the rules will be listed in the description box below. And if you're interested in seeing more of the handmade things I make for my shop, then my Etsy shop is in the link down below as well. And don't forget to like this video and good luck with the competition. See you in the next one. Bye.